What's up, everybody? That guy Paul, back again, and I'm going on a little ride. I gotta go to work real fast to help my boss out with something, so I figured I'd take you guys along for this short little ride, see if anything happens. Probably not, nothing ever does happen. But you know, it is New York, so anything can happen with these morons on the road. So today, it was actually supposed to be pretty nasty and rain. The weathermen have been wrong a lot lately, and today's just fucking one of the nicest days ever. It's like 70 degrees. It's not too hot. It's good enough to wear the squid stuff, and it's, you know, my elbows aren't sweaty, and I could wear my jeans no problem. It's just a beautiful day. Let's see if we can get a little lean in on this. Woo-wee! That was a nice little lean action. I'm starting to need gas soon too. This is one thing about these liter bikes is I feel like I get gas every time I go out, but I also don't like to let the gas light come on. Like when it says I need a gallon of gas, or I use the gallon of gas rather, I like to fill it up just so, you know, in case I need to go anywhere, I don't have to fill up, and it's just nice to top it off. I've heard from a bunch of places that, you know, even in cars, I do it. I don't let it get past half of my car, because getting low in the tank is not good, because all the stuff, like all that muck and stuff, gets in the bottom, and it's no good if it gets sucked in by the fuel pump. It can clog it. Oh, hey, guy on a bike. So I usually don't let it get too low, because I don't know. I'm one of those people that likes to put super in it, so put 93. I don't know, it's like some places super is 91, some places super is 93. It's whatever. It's all the same price everywhere pretty much. So, you know, when people are like, oh, gas is so cheap, it's like, yeah, for regular, not for super. It's all the same shit everywhere else. So I don't even bother even looking at gas prices, because for the most part it's the same. Ooh, that downshift. I love this bike. Nah, I'm not gonna do it. Lane splitting's illegal, guys. Don't do it. Honk the horn! Honk the horn! Hey! He did it! He honked the horn, guys. I don't know if you could hear it, but he honked the horn. Texas, that's a long drive. And they go to school over here. And it's a Jeep, which means it's probably a hot girl. She's alright. I don't understand why there's traffic at 1:53 on a Tuesday afternoon. It doesn't make any sense to me. It's like, I don't know if these people like don't do anything, or if everybody in fucking Long Island has their lunch break at the same time. But there's always a lot of people on the road. Increase the priest. The priest? The peace. The priest. Am I blind? do I want to wait for these lights? Fucking, I don't know. I don't really want to wait. Thank you so much. You're all so nice. I'm not one of those people that lane splits going 100 miles an hour. Those guys are stupid. They just ask for that stupid shit. You go slow because you never know when some dingbaddy's going to try to get over or sees you lane splitting and doesn't like it. So you just got to be careful. And there's a cop.
You're a fucking idiot.
He was probably checking my plate to see if I stole it or something. I'm legal, guy. Don't worry. I got insurance. I'm licensed. It's all good in the hood, guy. This is kind of bugging me out, though. See, it's bad that people feel paranoid when there's cops around. Cause then, you know, people do stupid things. They'll slam on the brakes. You know, you ever see, like, when you're driving on the highway and then all of a sudden there's, like, boom, a shit ton of traffic? And then you look to your left or to your right and there's a cop sitting on the side of the road. It's like, what are you doing? What if everybody's going the same speed, he's not going to pull you over. And he's a state trooper. Shit, guy could have pulled my ass right the fuck over. But see, that's why you don't lane split at 100 miles an hour. Because you lane split at 100 miles an hour, then they'll fucking come after you. Oh, that's so funny. This guy in this Prius drives a Harley. My other car is a Harley. No, your car is a Prius. Goddamn Prius drivers. What's up, buddy? Didn't even acknowledge. Still got the screen protector on the fucking screen. Oh, is that another cop? Shit, they're out today. Nah, it's not another cop. Alright, guys. Finished what I had to do and just on the way home now. They got a creepy little doll in the back of that truck. There's I came this way a little bit because there's a BMW Ducati dealership up here. And they always have usually some nice used bikes out front. Let's see if they got anything good. Speed Triple, there's an S1000, Diavel ZX14, FZ07. There's an apple core in the middle of the road. Gotta feel the rip. Gotta fill her up. Gotta fill her up. Uh. Ooh, ah. Dinosaur juice is the best. 93 is for me. 93, so nobody yells at me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, fill it up. Oh yeah. Oh, take all of it. Come on. Ooh. Trick is, no drip. 409, shit. Should win 1 more cent. No, thank you. Ooh, she's loud. This truck is a big truck. Hey! He did it too. See, gotta make people in a good mood, man. That's all you gotta do. Alright guys, well that's pretty much it from me. And I'll see you guys next time. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. And talk to you guys later.